guys, welcome back to Simply Wired. I am Mithilesh. So today we are gonna see an interesting thing. Let's get started. The interesting thing we are gonna see today is how to customize your Google background. Sounds quite interesting. Let's get started. So here is an pencil-like image, the customize this page image. So enter that. You can see three types: shortcuts, color and theme, and background. So if we go into the background, we have a n number of background pictures. So I am choosing the landscape, and there are the pictures. They are really amazing. Yeah. So I'm gonna choose the Himalayans. They are wonderful. Here they look beautiful now. Now we are going to change the tab over here. Wow, this is so beautiful. So again go into the customize page. You may see color and theme. Go into color and theme. There are different types of colors over here. You may see over here it changes. Fully black, yellow and peach. There are many colors over here. So let's and there is another element over here. Select color. You can set your own color over here. So I'm choosing the blue one. So I'm setting blue and done. Wow, it matches to the background really well. So to see the most recent sites that you have visited, we should again go into the customize page and you may see shortcuts. My shortcuts and most visited sites. My shortcuts, these are the shortcuts created by you. The shortcuts that you use and the most visited sites. And the shortcuts that are suggested based on the sites you visit very often. So you may also hide the shortcuts. Quite sounds interesting. So I'm not applying hide shortcuts. I'm applying most visited sites and done. That's all. So hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Simply Wired. This is Mithilesh signing off. Bye bye.